Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's continue with the introduction. We have a couple of more slides. After that, we're gonna jump on directly on the UiPath practical. Then we're gonna see all the basics and all the advanced topics practically. What are the capabilities of UiPath and bot? So the bot can connect to emails, can process the Word files, can handle the XML, can automate the UI in the browser, or it can send or receive the data from the API. It can connect to the database. There are so many things the bots can do very easily. So these are the topics we are going to cover in our tutorials, in which the most of them are practical. So let's see the basic idea of robots in UiPath, community edition license, installation of UiPath, which is the very basic requirement to learn the UiPath. Why UiPath? Browser extension, UiPath Studio overview, basic example, and all other basics, object classes basics. This is very much required if you don't know the Java or .NET object oriented programming languages concept. So this will help you understand the more complex scenarios and topics and how to handle them. Then we're gonna cover the advanced concepts of data table, Excel, or vice versa. Debugging is out of the box available in UiPath Studio, so you can utilize that and can have your try catch blocks. So that we're gonna cover in this topic. Orchestrator is separate component of UiPath where you can manage the bots, you can check the logs, you can schedule your bots, and you can manage the licenses. This is the one central place where you can control everything about the bots. Sub processes, one robot is a one process, and there is very common requirement that you will be calling to some other process, which is the sub process from your main process. So that we're gonna see in practical. Fine if we are not understanding right now. Example of automating the desktop applications like calculator or any application which you can open from your Windows system. Example of web applications like getting the data from the Amazon, getting the data from the LinkedIn, and those data can be changed in future. So to handle those things, we're gonna use this example to automate those web applications. So data extraction is for applications where actually there is a middle layer which you cannot access the components of the UI. So I will give the example that you have virtual machine. Generally this is for the Citrix if you are aware of that. If you are not, then I will try to show you to the VMware where there is a other system you are accessing from your own system, but you cannot control the components of that system, the UI components of that system from your local board. So when you click any element of the Windows application or the web application, you will get the component information, but in the case of VMware or Citrix or mainframe, you will not be able to get that UI component identity in any way. So we need that data extraction in that case. Next is RE framework and its example, which is very commonly required to do the development. So if anything left, we're gonna cover in the last, and if you ask anything me to cover in your comments, I will create the video and will upload it. So this is why UiPath. We're gonna cover this later. First we're gonna go to the basic about robot in UiPath. I know you are very excited to do something practically, so let's jump into that.